So this is the analogy of a long jump. You have a guy or a female or a they, them, or whatever, and he's going to do the long jump. The first time he jumps to here. The second time he jumps to here. The third time he jumps to here. Now, he keeps on doing this over and over and over again. You know, some are further, some are closer, but the average jump, let's say he does some more. Let's say he gets a really far one, and then he does some that are here, and then some that are here. But the average one that he does is, let's call it right here. Now, granted, this is not the average, but just for argument's sake, let's all agree that this is the average. If you have money, stop messing around, do the VIP. If you don't have money, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do this stuff for free on the videos that we have here. So, because this is the average, next time he jumps, does this mean that he is definitely going to go right here as a magnet? Or does this mean that he can go anywhere? He can go below it, he can go above it. It just depends on where he goes. But on average, he's right here. So this jump is not, you can either say this is a horseshoe or a magnet. This jump is not a magnet, this level. This jump is an average. So he can go before it, after it, whichever way he wants. But on average, it's going to be roughly around here. So the next time he does jump, if he jumps right here, that does not mean that, oh, this was the magnet. No, it's the average jump. So with that being said, let me know if that made sense, guys. Let me know if that made more sense than the parent-child relationship when it comes to moving averages. So with that being said, when the price action comes up to the 50, does it mean that it's going to get rejected at the 50? No, sure doesn't. It means that when they do meet, when the price action goes to the moving average, because this is the average, that it might stop here. It might. But the price action could continue going up and maybe go to the 200. Nobody knows where it's going to go. But the main purpose of this is to let you know that these are not magnets. It's an average. It's an average of the candle body closes. And for when they don't act as magnets, they don't act as support resistance levels. Now, it looks like it in hindsight, depending on what you're looking at. It looks like it. Here, we can say price action came up to the 30, which is my orange, came up to the 30 and goes rejected, rejected, rejected. No. Price action is the indicator. The actual indicator, moving average, goes off of the price action. So because the price action was going here, just up and down, the indicator stopped going down. It stopped going up because this is an average of what's happening. Then as the price went up, because these people who say that it's a magnet, people say, oh, look, it was finding support. No, the price action does not find support on the moving average. The price action finds support wherever it finds support. And the moving average is the average of the candle body closes. So when the price action goes up, well, now the moving average has to follow. So the price action is the leader, the moving average is the follower. Then as it slows down, goes sideways, it gives it plenty of time for it to catch up. See how this hard bend right here? So it did a hard bend, and now it kept on going up. So now it's coming up. Now when it does come down, the average closes, the average jump, wherever the jump was, the average jump is right here on the 30, right here on the 50, right here on the 9. So when it does come down, the average close on the 9 would be right here, but it broke it. Okay, well, the average close on the 30 is right here, but it broke it. Okay. The average close was a 50 right here. So if it breaks this one, continues down, well, then maybe it'll find where I hate saying finding support because I'm so programmed to saying that. I said that for years. It's not finding support. I guess in essence it is, but I don't want you to think this is because this is not true support or resistance. It's an average. So the price action finds its average close right here. It does not find support on the 50. The price action finds its average closes around this area on the 50. It's a lot of words. A lot of words. All right. So just to let you know, that's what this is. And then it found support on the 30 SMA closes of the candle bodies. Way too many words. And then it came up and lost it. Came down here, lost the 50. Came down here. So my whole thought process, it's an average. So let me know if all that made sense. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.